Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a Flaouna cake. You will need 5 eggs, 250 milliliters of groundnut oil or any neutral tasting oil, unless you really like the strong extra virgin taste. You will need 230 grams of Greek yogurt. I'm adding a drop of milk to this because it's more thicker, and if you're using a regular yogurt you won't need to add the milk. Whisk that all together until you get a smooth looking batter. Then you're going to want to add 100 grams of cheddar cheese and 225 grams of halloumi cheese. Add this gradually and whisk it together. Now for the dried mint, I use a lot and I don't measure it, but use about a tablespoon if you're not too fond of the taste of dried mint. Then add 160 grams of sultanas and give those a whisk to incorporate. Then we've got 400 grams of self-raising flour, to which we're going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 2 teaspoons of mahlepi. Then gradually add that to the mixture. Try not to overwork it, but you need to incorporate it at the same time. I'm also going to add a little bit more milk because the batter was a bit thicker than I would have liked. This is the kind of consistency you want. Now I'm using a bundt tin, but you could use a loaf pan or a cake tin, whatever you have. I'm going to grease my tin and add some flour to it to stop it from sticking. And gradually add the mixture in and smooth it over. And then add the sesame seeds. Again, I don't measure this, but go with 2 tablespoons if you're unsure. Then bake it at 170°C fan for 45 minutes or until a knife comes out clean, because ovens do vary. Then leave it to cool for 10 minutes in its tin, and then remove it from the tin and put it on a plate, and it's ready to serve. I really hope you enjoy this. I love the taste of it. It goes brilliant with a cup of tea or coffee or breakfast. Enjoy. See you next time.